Good morning. It's Thursday, February 27th. We're looking at the S&P 500. And here's what we have over here is that we have this overnight. We're putting it at a new low right now, but the previous overnight low, if I pull that down, see the previous overnight low was right down here, 59.50. And then they brought it all the way back up to 31.0450, our CPA there. Now there's a lot going on in this area right here, and I'm just going to break that down right through here. So what we have is we have a KP at 93.5, we have another KP at 90.25, and then we have a CPA down here, and then what we have is we have our key turn prices here at 88 and 86.50. So that's why it looks like there's so much happening there if you're not familiar with key turns. So here we have there's our CPA, and then we have another CPA, and then we have our key turns, our two different key turn prices. Then our other key turn price is right down here at 75. So if you look at this, we'll break that down. So they came down here, they really used this, they for sure used it over here, and then they didn't really come back and use this one, this 90.25 area. So again, the range has been just huge overnight. So where are they going to bring this thing? At least, I mean, bigger picture, there's really no point of talking about any kind of buying right now until we start to see until we see them put in a good bottom and then start to reverse that so they're consistently moving higher. We could start looking for the buying to come in. So better would be looking at bounce levels. So first one, this would be really kind of the most aggressive area, would be to short right up here. This 75 area, that's key turns, that's an area that we could look to short. And then if we get much up above that 75, we could see them bring it all the way back up here to this 90, and then above 90 they're likely going to go back up over 3100 again, so maybe back to 31.21.5. So you got to read the price action today is how that's unfolding and what that all looks like. I mean, the levels are important, but the range has been so big, it's really just kind of crazy. So 47.50, obviously breaking that opens us up down to 22.5. We've got a CPA down here at 15.50. So not at all out of the question that we could see down here in the lower 3,000 area. That's not at all out of the question. So the best way to do this is, look, we're putting in a new low. We have a high, we have a lower high, a lower high, and we have a low, a lower low, a lower low, a lower low, a lower low. So as long as we're setting lower highs and lower lows, then the sellers, we want to stay with the sell side. If it reverses and we're putting in high, higher high, lower, higher low, still higher low, as long as that's what's happening, and then, obviously at some point we go, okay, so here we came off of this, we came down here, now it's the momentum is shifted here. There's a low, there's a lower high, so the momentum is shifting here, and now we're selling it. So until that reverses and they start stair-stepping their way back up, then we're looking to stay on the sell side. So looking for some bouncing to sell, and then if they start buying it up, we'll see that, and we can switch on to the buy side. So there you have it, and we'll see you in the live trade signals.